Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. We're all about saving you money, putting money back in your pocket. And isn't it true that nowadays with the way the economy is, the whole pandemic situation, we're all looking for ways to save money. So if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it. At the same time, go ahead and smack that bell and we'll give you notifications anytime we upload a video in the future. So today we're going to talk about Mint Mobile, and personally, I don't like to talk about a product that I have not personally tested out. And I have been a Mint Mobile customer since December 2017. So we are celebrating 3 years of using Mint Mobile, and I can tell you that I have pretty much been using them since the beginning, so to speak. Back when they were called Mint Sim was their name, and now they're Mint Mobile. Of course, Ryan Reynolds is the owner or part owner of Mint Mobile, so shout outs to him. He's done a lot since he has become part owner of the company. But what you can see here on their website right now, until the end of the year 2020, and 2020 has not been good to a lot of people. I would say 99.9% of the population, unless you own stock with Zoom, you have been hurting in your pocketbook. So premium wireless without having to pay the premium wireless price. This is something really cool because they are very affordable. But now Mint Mobile will give you 3 months of service free when you buy 3 months of service. In other words, you're going to get 6 months of wireless cellular coverage or wireless cellular for basically the price of 3 months. So here are their prices. If you are someone that doesn't use a lot of internet, and let's say you are in complete lockdown, you're working from home, you're not leaving your house, you are just staying at home. If this is your case, then you're going to want to go with this right here, the 3 gigabyte plan for $15 a month. Now, they'll give this to you for a total, like you see down here, for $45. But with their promo until the end of the year, you're getting 3 months free when you buy any 3-month plan. Folks, can you imagine paying $45 for wireless coverage for 6 months? I mean, it's unheard of. And you're going to get unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage. It does use 5G wherever T-Mobile has 5G, or 4G LTE, whichever is the strongest. Now, in the future, I'm going to be doing, in a very near future, because I actually have it on the way, I actually have 2 of them on the way, a review on what I believe is the 5G phone to own for 2021. And this review is going to come very soon. But imagine yourself pairing up a good 5G phone with Mint Mobile, and now you're going to have unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage. You're going to have 5G where it's available by T-Mobile. Remember, Mint Mobile is using T-Mobile's towers. Or if they don't have 5G in the area, you're going to use 4G LTE, whichever of the two is the strongest. And the same thing happens with their other plans. Now, if you're not a stay-at-home person and you're not using your Wi-Fi, then most likely you're out on the road and you're going to need more gigabytes of data. Then you can hop into the 8 gigabyte a month plan. $20 a month times 3 is $60. You can see that down here. And that will be $60 for the 3 months offered here plus 3 months free. So in this situation, you will be getting basically $10 a month for wireless coverage for 8 gigabytes a month. I personally use this plan right now, although being that you're staying home more often now, then I would probably have gone to the 3 gigabyte a month plan. But anyway, if you use more than that, you can hop on the 12 gigabyte a month plan. And for $25 a month, you're going to get coverage for 6 months. Let's say you take this plan and you get your SIM card by mid-December. You will not have to worry about a wireless bill coming to you until May 15th of 2021. So hop on to any one of these plans and you don't have to worry about getting a bill. Let's say if you get your SIM card by mid-December until mid-May. It doesn't get any better than that. Hopefully by then everyone's got their vaccine and everyone's getting a better deal as far as their income. But this is something to hold you up, so to speak. Now, they do have an unlimited plan. I talked about this a few months ago. For $30 a month, they will give you unlimited data. And of course, everything else is unlimited talk and text. And then of course, 5G or 4G LTE. $90 for 3 months. Plus you're going to get 3 months free. So $90 for 6 months of unlimited. No worries, no hassle. Now, their unlimited plan, and this is something I like, will give you 35 gigabytes a month. After the 35 gigabytes a month, then you'll start to experience lower speeds. This is really good. I'll tell you why. Verizon, AT&T, their unlimited plan, quote unquote, does this to you. You will experience the lower speeds after 22 gigabytes or 23 gigabytes. So with Mint Mobile, they're doing it after 35 gigabytes a month. So not a bad deal for $30 a month. Think about it. It's $1 a day for this plan for unlimited talk and text and unlimited data. If you don't have Wi-Fi at home, this is a plan you want to hop into. If you're not getting good signal, look at the phone that you're using. I mean, if you're using like an iPhone 6 or a Samsung Galaxy S6, your antenna on that phone is not built for the premium 4G LTE and not even for 5G. But like I said, I'll be doing a video on that very soon. But right now, to the end of 2020, you can take advantage of this promo. I will post a promo below that will also give you free shipping. So hop aboard, check it out. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications as we upload the videos. So hopefully this will save you some money and it'll help you by the end of 2020. At the end of this year, a lot of people are having much more expenses and you want to look at any way that you can save money. Here it is, folks, right in front of you. So take the promo code that I posted on the description of the video below, and that promo code will also give you free shipping. Thank you and have a great day.